Hi, it's Ella, and today I learned, well, I'm printing something on the Glowforge, but Mr. Harmon's printing it on some plastic, so it's gonna be a pretty cool keychain. I'm here with Nikki, and we're watching this, and it's going to be sad because it's got 5 minutes left, but as you can see, that's what I'm printing. I'm printing my first and middle name and a heart, so yeah, pretty fun, right? Okay, there we go. With T-minus 1 minute and 20 seconds left, we got, here we are. It's just going over it, making it look all good, but it looks really cool and it's nice. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be huge. It's gonna be cool. Right, Nikki, Ellie, come here, say hi. Yeah, it's gonna be cool.
Guys, it's Ellie here. I did not make this, Mr. Harmon did, but he just wanted me to make a video on it. This is one of his fidget spinner things. It was just a basic one, but then he made it awesome and put HLModTech subscribe. So subscribe to HLModTech, I guess, is what he's trying to say. So you can just hold it and spin it, and it makes it cool fidget thing.
Hey guys, let's check out this cool new print that Mr. Harmon made. It has movable wings. Sorry, my hands are ugly. A movable tail. Its legs slightly move, and its face moves. Like that. That's how it moves. It's about an hour per print. It takes 3 hours in all. It's worth 3 prints. So that's what you can get if you post 3 videos. You can make a dragon. Name it what you want. Yeah, that's all. Good.
Fischer and Modtech, and I made this Gucci gang ring.
So I was using a site called GPA, Grace Paper Airplane, to make a Hammerhead airplane, and this is version 1 of it. It didn't go so well. This one I kind of crashed on me, and this one is the final outcome, where I modified the wings to have little winglets and the bottom have little winglets. So when I go over here and fly, it goes very far.
Hi guys, my name is Hanna, and I'm Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class. And you may remember the house I'm making. I don't know if I made a video about the stairs and the door. But I made a bed, like my bed, and then I'm gonna work a little bit more on this part of it, and then like the bedroom part, and I'm gonna work on the bathroom, and I think I might have one more level, possibly. My friend Mackenzie, who made the other house, she's not here right now, so she won't be popping in the middle of the video. Yeah.
My name is Mackenzie Morales, and today I'm in Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class, and today I'm going to be showing you this cool microphone stand with a microphone that I made in Tinkercad. So what I did was I grabbed the cylinder from Basic Street for the stand part, and then the hand part for the microphone, and then I used the sphere, made it flat for the bottom, and for the top of the microphone we're using into. And then what I did was I grouped them all together by clicking the group button or Ctrl G, and then instead of one color I made it multicolor, and that is how I made this microphone. Have a nice day. Bye.
Hey guys, it's Ollie from Mr. Harmon's class. I made an oof ring and we printed it. So here's my oof ring. Linda, you're right. Put it on. Marry me. That's how it looks on a hand.
And I was in Mr. Harmon's 6th hour class, and these are the Tinkercad towers I made while I came in during lunch by watching one of his amazing movies.
My name is Malachi. I made this ring in Mr. Harmon's lesson today, and I'm printing it, so yeah. Alright. Petey.
Hey everyone, it is Park or Lucas, if you know me from school. Now this is my first recording and I won't really do this, but I made a UFO with a tutorial, but I made it so the pony in here is stuck and I might add a tree later. So yeah, that'll be nice. Also, these two are married. That's why they're in a UFO, because they're going to space for their honeymoon. Just an FYI.
Alright, my name is Malachi. I made this spaceship, East Earth thingy. Mr. Harmon assigned. And CAD and everything. I made my own alien thing. Little eyeball.
I'm Arhianna from Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class, and using the HLModTech.com video, I made a fidget spinner using the cylinder, the cone, and text for my initials. And yeah, goodbye.
Hi, I'm Arhianna from Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class, and today I made this piano. On Google, I searched up Tinkercad project ideas and I found this, but I added notes, like the paper for the music, and I added the keys, and yeah, bye.
Hi guys, today I made this front screen of the phone. It says Verizon up there, and it has all the things like the Wi-Fi. I used Scribble for Wi-Fi, 1130, and the lock screen. This is the house that I made, and if you go through the door here, you can see the house and the ottomans, and the carpet here is pink, and these are the purple, light purple, and here is the yellow pastel. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Arhianna from Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class, and using HLModTech.com. I made this fidget spinner using all the basic shapes and the text. For the holes in it, I used the torus and bye.
Guys, it's Kendall here, and I'm just gonna flex my roller coaster tycoon park. I have 1,000 guests, and I have 42 grand. So glimpse at my park. Oh shoot. And then I'm gonna add more land and get more money.
This is my cabin country. Love them. She's working on hers. Would you live in my cabin country? We're gonna live together. 2 dogs, and they all live.
For the past couple of days, Cameron and I have been making this Avengers Quinjet. And here's some cool things about it.
First of all, we kind of made some spinning, fans on the side by using some wheels, and then we made a full engine on the back with all the wings on it. This in the back. And we had the Avengers logo, and then in the front we have Captain America, Iron Man, Hulk. So yeah,
Hey guys. spaceship. We have the little spaceman in it with the little antenna. And then we have a bunch of stars flowing out of the back, because that's how it goes. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Brady. I was one of Mr. Harmon's former students, and I made this cool Tinkercad fidget toy printing place. Here's the video I followed, like create your own Tinkercad fidget toy. This is his. This is mine printing.
I swear she runs to the top and turns around and says like, "Hey, come on, you gotta try it." How fast can you get to the bottom, big boy? How fast are you gonna go? That's my girl, good job. The cat fits up here. How come I don't? Am I making fun of you? Get your butt off the couch. Kind of feels like the first walk we've had where there's actually sunshine. How, baby?